Some of our friends, Japanese firms, they told me power incentives, power quality, property tax acceleration, and also Torre, improve public governance, improve transparency, accountability, EDV road shows to Japan, Korea, and US to attract investment. Isuzu, again, he invited me to come to Japan, certainly, and also Daikin Global Air Condition exports from Sri City. Skilling. He referred about skilling in a big way. That is one more request he has done. For the last 5 years, my successor never visited this place. That itself is an indication you don't know the value of investment. Generally, in India also, not all, majority are working for investment and creating employment. We used to compete with each other. There were days, states used to compete with each other. Huge incentives are pending, I am aware. I was inherited very bad treasury. There is no money, but we'll create wealth at the earliest installment wise. I will release all your incentives. That is my commitment. I will do it. And also infrastructure gaps such as road, industrial water, power. This is another issue is there for industries. That also will do. Even irrational high tariffs, even water, they increased abnormally. I have seen that. And also other inputs also. I am assuring you, immediately we will rationalize. Very soon I am going to bring a policy. There I am giving very clear clarity for all of you. We will do it. We will reduce, we will bring competitive price. Even original price what you have given at that time. That is how I am going to get that policy also. Last time, if you can go, you can recollect. Ease of doing business, we are number one. Not 1 year. 4 years we are number one continuously. During my tenure, nobody can compete with me on ease of doing business, other states. Always somebody is doing better, I will do still better. There is a scope. That is how we have to compete. Now I am talking of speed of doing business, not only ease of doing business, you have to go for speed of doing business. How to speed it up? Your renewals, permissions, or service, any services you have to provide, all these things I want to do it. And also cost of production, cost of logistics reduction, how to do it. Cost effective solutions, how to bring it. This also will focus, and ultimately Andhra Pradesh will be a preferred and also very good destination for all of you. Once you land in Andhra Pradesh, you will be very happy, you will be safe, and you will get better profits compared to any other area. That is how we want to create this place.